Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying English learning. Students, I have completed chapter number 1, writing about writing. I hope you understood each and everything in the chapter and doing well about the activities which are given. Today I'll start with chapter number 2, let me sum up. This is a nice story. In this chapter, one fairy tale is given. T-A-L-E tale means story. T-A-L-E tale means story. Let me sum up means let me conclude. Okay. So here, let me sum up. This chapter contains a very old fairy tale which was locked away for over 150 years, means which was not known to people over 150 years. And the story's name is King Golden Locks. What is the name of the story? King Golden Locks. This story is recently discovered in Germany and this version is derived from the translation by Maria Tatar, published in the New Yorker, April 2, 2012. In 2012, this story was translated by Maria Tatar in New Yorker. It is magazine published in New York on April 2, 2012. So, let's start the story. Do you want the summary of the story? Okay, let me give the brief introduction of this story. Here, it is a very interesting story in which the story revolves around a prince whose name is Golden Locks. Why such name is given to the prince? Because he had beautiful golden hair. The story begins with the celebration of his father's bravery, because his father had captured a giant, and to celebrate the bravery he hosted one ceremony, one program in which the kings of nearby territories were invited to see the giant. He caged the giant and somehow the prince freed the giant. And because of this deed, the king was very angry and he made an announcement to punish the person who has stolen the key of the cage. Now he came to know that the person is none other than the prince himself, and he had to keep the promise, and he sadly banished Golden Locks. उन्होंने प्रिंस को देश निकाल दिया. Okay, he told his soldiers to take Golden Locks very far from where he could never return. ऐसी जगह पर छोड़कर आओ कि जहाँ से वो कभी वापस ना आए, ऐसा कहा उन्हें. But the soldier, he made an arrangement for the prince to live with a gardener's family as they don't have any son, and the prince helped the gardener to cut the flowers, and he made the bouquet for the queen's daughter, who was the most beautiful princess. Soon the prince fell in love with the princess, and one day he tied her bouquet of flowers with his own golden hair and proved his true love towards the princess. When it was the time for the princess to be married, she refused everyone and promised to marry the one who had tied her bouquet with golden hair. But not long after, the prince understood that his father was ill and needed 2 drops of venom from the deadly tiger snake so that the king could be cured. Prince collected the drops of venom with the help of old giant, which was captured by his father and freed by the prince only. He took help of the old giant. Firstly, the giant refused to carry the venom to the palace. So the prince disguised himself and went to the palace to give the precious drops of venom to his father's mouth. After having the drops of venom, the king opened his eyes and recognized his son, the prince. And the father and the son were reunited, and later on, the prince became the king and happily married his lovely princess. Okay, so this is the story of Let Me Sum Up. Okay, now see the story in detail. Once there was a prince with beautiful golden hair. Everyone called him Golden Locks. See, what is the meaning of golden locks? Golden means the color, golden and locks. Locks means hair. जो hair होते हैं ना हमारे, लट होती है, जो बालों की एक लट होती है, that is called lock. Okay, so it is a story about a prince with golden beautiful hair, and everyone called him Golden Locks because of the golden hair. One day, Golden Locks' father, the king, went hunting in the woods. In the woods means in the forest. In the forest. And found a giant leaning against a tree. The king went hunting. शिकार के लिए जाते हैं ना राजा लोग, kings. Okay, so the king went hunting in the woods and he found a giant leaning against a tree. उसने एक giant को देखा जो tree के पास में था. The king blew his horn, called his men, and they came and caught the giant. The king blew his horn. Horn मतलब कि जो bugle बजाते हैं ना राजा लोग. And called his men. His men means soldiers. Called his men, and the soldiers came and caught the giant. The soldiers came and caught the giant. Soldiers आए और giant को पकड़ लिया. Proud of his own bravery, the king invited many other kings to join him for a celebration so they could see the captured giant. The king was very proud of his own bravery because he had captured the giant. Okay, so he was very proud of his bravery and he invited many other kings of nearby territories to join him for a celebration so they could see the captured giant. जो giant है जिसे केज में बंद कर दिया गया है, ओके, उसे देखने के लिए जो आसपास के जो टेरिटरीज़ के किंग्स थे उन्हें इनवाइट किया गया, एक सेरेमनी रखी गई. Can you see the cage in the picture? Okay. Now, on the day of the celebration, Golden Locks was playing with his favorite toy, a golden ball. Now, on the day of celebration, the celebration day came, and Golden Locks was playing with his favorite toy, which was a golden ball. Accidentally, Golden Locks threw the ball right into the giant's cage. ओके, एक्सीडेंटली खेलते खेलते अचानक से गोल्डन लॉक का जो फेवरेट टॉय था गोल्डन बॉल वो कहाँ चला गया? इनटू द जायंट्स केज. सी, कैन यू सी द गोल्डन बॉल? दिस इज गोल्डन बॉल इन द केज. Accidentally he threw the ball in the cage where the giant was kept. Oh no, what could he do? He loved that ball because that ball was prince's favorite. So he was very worried regarding the ball. What could he do? What the giant could do with the ball? Because the prince loved that ball. Please throw my ball back to me, giant, prince said. Please throw my ball back to me. वापस से फेंक दो giant मेरी तरफ. I'll give you a nice banana or apple or maybe a cookie if you just give it back. If you will throw it back, if you will return my golden ball, I'll give you a nice banana or apple or cookies. ओके, सो टेम्पटेशंस भी दिए गए उसे. I'll only give your ball back if you release me, he said. Giant said. Who said? Giant. What the giant said? I'll give you the ball back, but what you have to do? You have to release me. मुझे छुड़वाना पड़ेगा, यहाँ से निकालना पड़ेगा. The boy knew his father would be angry, but he wanted his ball. But the priority is he wanted his ball. He was knowing that his father would be angry, but the priority is to get the ball. He stole the key to the cage and freed the giant. उसने केज की जो की है ना वो चुरा ली, and he freed the giant. Who freed the giant? किसने फ्री कर दिया जायंट को? प्रिंस. Why? To get his golden ball which was inside the cage accidentally. Okay, next paragraph. That evening, all the kings from all over the land were gathered in the palace to see the giant, but there was no giant. That evening, the celebration was there. That evening, all the kings from all over the land, they were gathered in the palace of the king to see the giant, but there was no giant. वहाँ पर कोई giant नहीं था. What is giant means? राक्षस. Okay, कोई giant नहीं था. कहाँ गया giant? He was freed by the prince to get his golden ball which was inside the cage. The king was so angry, he flew into a rage and swore that he would punish the person who had stolen his key and freed the giant, no matter who it was. See, the king was so angry. King है बहुत गुस्सा हो गए. And he flew into a rage. वो बहुत ही गुस्सा होकर और वहाँ पर उन्होंने डिक्लेयर किया. क्या डिक्लेयर किया उन्होंने? स्वॉर दैट, स्वॉर मीन्स कसम खाना. स्वॉर दैट ही वुड पनिश द पर्सन, ही वुड पनिश द पर्सन हु हैड स्टोलन द की एंड फ्रीड द जायंट. जिसने वो की चुराई है और जायंट को फ्री किया है उसे पनिशमेंट मिलेगी, ऐसा उन्होंने गुस्से में डिक्लेयर कर दिया. नो मैटर हु इट वॉज, कोई भी हो उससे कोई मैटर नहीं करता. When he found out it was his own son, he was heartbroken. When he found out it was his own son, when the king found out that it was his own son, he was heartbroken. बहुत ही उनका दिल टूट गया. He was extremely sad. But a king has no choice but to keep his promise. But after all, he was a king and he had no choice. He had to keep his promise. To keep his promise यानी अपना वादा निभाना. ओके, जो उन्होंने एक बार डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि जो भी हैं उसे पनिशमेंट मिलेगी. जिसने भी जायंट को फ्री किया है, चाबी चुराई है, उसे पनिशमेंट मिलेगी. सो ही केम टू नो दैट वो उनका खुद का ही बेटा था और उनके पास अब अपना जो डिसीजन लिया था उससे घूमने का कोई चॉइस ही नहीं था. ओके, उनके पास कोई चॉइस नहीं थी, उन्हें अपना वादा निभाना ही पड़ेगा. द किंग सैडली बैनिश्ड गोल्डन लॉक्स. किंग हैं, उन्होंने क्या किया? बैनिश्ड मीन्स फॉरबिडन टू एंटर. फॉरबिडन टू एंटर मतलब कि जिस राज्य में, जिस स्टेट में, जिस टेरिटरी में किंग रह रहे हैं वहाँ से गोल्डन लॉक्स है उसे देश निकाला दे दिया. ओके, सैडली, वो खुश नहीं थे, बट ही सैडली डिड दिस. ही टोल्ड हिज बेस्ट सोल्जर टू टेक गोल्डन लॉक्स फार फार अवे वेर ही कुड नेवर रिटर्न. ही टोल्ड हिज बेस्ट सोल्जर, जो सबसे अच्छा सोल्जर था, he told his best soldier to take golden locks far far away. बहुत दूर दूर तक छोड़कर आओ, ऐसे बोल दिया, देश निकाला दे दिया. where he could never return, कि जहाँ से वो कभी भी वापस ना आ पाए. but the soldier did want to do his duty to so young a boy, so he decided to find a way out. सोल्जर ने सुन लिया. ओके, ये सब तो, बट he did not want this duty to such a young and beautiful boy. ओके बहुत ही सुंदर बच्चा था ये. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू फाइंड अ वे आउट. तो उसने बीच का रास्ता निकाला. ओके ही डिसाइडेड टू फाइंड अ वे आउट. अंडरस्टूड दिस मच. He put golden locks in the poor clothes of a shepherd. Shepherd means, what is the meaning of shepherd? Shepherd means the person who takes the herd of cow, sheep और goats है उसे चराने के लिए जो ले जाते हैं ना, grazing के लिए, that person is called shepherd. Okay, so he put golden locks in the poor clothes. Poor clothes means पुराने कपड़े. Poor clothes of a shepherd and sent him to live far away in the family of a gardener who had no sons of his own. क्या किया उस सोल्जर ने? उसे दूर दूर तक छोड़कर नहीं आया, but he put golden locks in the poor clothes of a shepherd and sent him to live far away in the family of a gardener who had no sons of his own. See the clothes, कैसे क्लोथ्स पहनते थे. ओके शेफर्ड, ये प्रिंस है, फिर प्रिंस के क्लोथ्स से उनसे शेफर्ड के क्लोथ्स पहना दिए. नाउ दिस गार्डनर वर्कड फॉर द क्वीन ऑफ हिज ओन लैंड. दिस गार्डनर मीन्स जहाँ पर जिस फैमिली में इसे छोड़ा गया था गोल्डन लॉक्स को, दैट गार्डनर वर्कड फॉर द क्वीन ऑफ हिज ओन लैंड. एवरी डे ही कट फ्लावर्स एंड मेड बुकेज फॉर द क्वींस डॉटर, the most beautiful princess he had ever seen. See, princess को उसने देखा है. princess ने अभी तक ये लड़के को नहीं देखा है, prince को नहीं देखा है. Okay, so what the gardener used to do every day? He worked for the queen of his own land, cut the flowers and made bouquets for the queen's daughter. And the queen's daughter means the princess was the most beautiful princess he had ever seen. It was Golden Lock's job to tie the flowers together and bring them to the princess. And whose job it was to tie the flowers into bouquets or garlands? Golden Lock's job. Okay, Golden Lock's job to tie the flowers together and bring them to the princess. Princess को देकर आने की ये उसकी job थी. The princess always received the flowers so sweetly that finally Golden Locks fell in love with her and began to feel he couldn't live without her. The princess always received the flowers so sweetly. Princess है हमेशा वो लड़की के पास से flowers लेती थी. And she received the flowers so sweetly that finally Golden Locks fell in love with her and began to feel he couldn't live without her. और थोड़े ही दिनों में उसे ऐसा लगा कि वो उसके बिना नहीं रह पाएगा. One day, to show her how he felt tied to her, he tied her bouquet with a strand of his own golden hair. One day, to show her how he felt tied to her. एक दिन वो प्रिंसेस को दिखाने के लिए कि वो कैसा महसूस कर रहा है उसके साथ कनेक्ट होकर. ओके, वो क्या फील कर रहा है. ही टाइड हर बुके विथ अ स्ट्रैंड. ही टाइड हिज बुके विथ अ स्ट्रैंड ऑफ हिज गोल्डन हेयर, ओन गोल्डन हेयर. उसने क्या किया, अपने गोल्डन हेयर से वो बुके हैं वो बांध दिया. इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग द थ्रेड ही यूज द स्ट्रैंड ऑफ हिज ओन गोल्डन हेयर. स्ट्रैंड का मीनिंग क्या है यहाँ पर? स्ट्रैंड मीन्स द पीस ऑफ हिज गोल्डन हेयर. थोड़ा सा गोल्डन हेयर है उसका पीस, उसने एक बाल तोड़ा उसने और उसने बांध दिया. When it was time for her to be married, princess came from miles around. When it was time for her to be married, now it was time for the princess to be married. Prince from miles, from far away places they came, but she refused everyone. What happened? The princess refused everyone, saying that she would only marry the one who had tied her bouquet with golden hair. What reason she had given? she had given the reason that she would only marry the one who had tied her bouquet with golden hair. उसने क्या कहा कि वो उसी इंसान से मैरिज करेगी जिसने उसका बुके है वो खुद के गोल्डन हेयर से बांध दिया था, टाई किया था. अंडरस्टूड. बट द क्वीन कुड नॉट अलाउ हर डॉटर टू मैरी अ पुअर गार्डनर्स हेल्पर. सी, try to understand this line. But the queen could not allow her daughter to marry a poor gardener's helper because right now the prince, he was a gardener's helper only. So the queen, the mother of the princess, she could not allow her daughter to marry a poor gardener's helper. Not long after, Goldenlock's father, the king, became very ill. In between, meanwhile, Goldenlocks came to know that his father became very ill, and it was said that 2 drops of venom from the deadly tiger snake would cure him. What is the medicine for the illness? It was said that 2 drops of venom means poison. स्नेक में पॉइजन होता है ना, poison. Venom means poison from the deadly tiger snake. See, here the snake is given. Deadly tiger. See, only 1 or 2% snakes are all poisonous. Okay, पूरे वर्ल्ड में जितने भी स्नेक्स हैं उसमें 2% स्नेक्स हैं वो पॉइजनस होते हैं, बाकी सब तो इतने पॉइजनस नहीं होते. ओके, सो what was the treatment? 2 drops of venom from the deadly tiger snake would cure the king who was ill. There was only one tiger snake known in the land, and it was the largest, meanest, deadliest snake anyone had ever seen. See, try to understand the meanings of all these words. There was only one tiger snake. स्नेक भी कोई भी स्नेक नहीं, टाइगर स्नेक. ओके, कोई एक ही टाइगर स्नेक था ऐसा जो डेडलीस्ट था, मीनेस्ट मतलब बहुत ही सेल्फिश, जो किसी को मतलब उस पर भरोसा नहीं किया जा सकता है. डेडलीस्ट यानी कि उसका वेनम है, पॉइजन है, वो कभी भी फेल नहीं जाता. ओके, स्नेक एनीवन हैड एवर सीन. Goldenlocks heard of his father's illness. Eventually, Goldenlocks heard of his father's illness and wanted to help his father. But what could he do? वो अपने फादर को हेल्प करना चाहता था, लेकिन वो क्या कर सकता था? Why? क्यों ऐसा? Because उसके फादर ने तो उसे निकाल दिया था ना, गोल्डनलॉक्स को निकाल दिया था किंगडम से, दूर दूर तक छोड़कर आने के लिए बोल दिया था सोल्जर को. तो अब वो वापस जाएगा तो उसके फादर वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो ही वॉज थिंकिंग व्हाट ही कुड डू. मोस्ट मैन वर टू स्कैर्ड टू इवन ट्राई टू मिल्क द डेडली स्नेक. most people, they were too afraid to try to milk the deadly snake. वो जो डेडली स्नेक था उसे मिल्क देने में भी बहुत सारे लोग डरते थे. The few brave men who had tried all died terrible deaths. लेकिन जो few brave men थे उन्होंने ट्राई किया उसे मिल्क प्रोवाइड करने का. They died terrible deaths. Goldenlocks did not know what to do because he wanted the venom from this deadliest snake. So he was not knowing what to do. But then he remembered the giant. At that time he remembered the giant. Goldenlocks went to the giant and begged him to get the milk for him. अब वो जायंट याद आया उसे, जिसे ये प्रिंस ने छुड़ा दिया था ना केज में से, वो जायंट याद आया. ओके, सो ही वेंट टू द जायंट एंड बेग्ड हिम टू गेट द मिल्क फॉर हिम. और उसने बेग्ड हिम यानी बहुत ही रिक्वेस्ट की कि वो उसकी तरफ से वो डेडली स्नेक जो है उसे मिल्क प्रोवाइड करे. You would ask this for the father who banished you? You are asking for the milk to milk the deadly snake to get the venom for the father who banished you, who forbidden you to enter the kingdom. Why? What is the reason? The giant asked. He is still my father, the prince replied. What the prince replied? He is still my father. He only did what he had promised his people. He only did what he had promised his people he would do to punish a criminal. He only did what he had promised his people. उन्होंने तो सिर्फ अपने वादा निभाया है, अपना वचन है वो पूरा किया है. Because he want to punish the criminal. Well, I do not think you were a criminal to free me. The giant replied. I am not thinking that you were a criminal to free me. कि तुमने मुझे फ्री किया तो तुम क्रिमिनल हो गए. I am not thinking such things. The king had no right to trap me. किंग को कोई राइट नहीं है मुझे कैद करने का. The king had no right to trap me. Trap means केज में बंद करने का. I have no love for the king. मुझे तुम्हारे फादर के लिए, तुम्हारे किंग के लिए कोई सिंपैथी नहीं है. नो लव. बट इफ़ यू वॉन्ट दिस आई विल ऑनर योर रिक्वेस्ट. बट इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू गेट योर वर्क डन बाय मी आई विल ऑनर योर रिक्वेस्ट. वाई द जायंट सेज दिस थिंग्स? बिकॉज ही वॉज फ्रीड बाय द प्रिंस. उसे प्रिंस ने ही छुड़वाया था ना केज से. That's why the giant is saying, I will honor your request and I will get the venom for you. I do. Please save me. Yes, please save me. Save him. The giant got the venom from the snake, but he would not take it to the king himself. Giant ने venom है snake का. He got. बट ही वुड नॉट टेक इट टू द किंग हिमसेल्फ. लेकिन वो खुद किंग के पास नहीं जा सकता. ही मीन्स जायंट. द जायंट वुड नॉट टेक इट टू द किंग हिमसेल्फ. गोल्डन लॉक्स वुड हैव टू डू इट. गोल्डन लॉक्स हैं, उसे ही ये काम करना पड़ेगा. बट ही वॉज बैनिस्ड. सी वॉट हैपेंड. गोल्डन लॉक्स डिस्गाइज्ड हिमसेल्फ एज बेस्ट he could in old rags and with his golden hair covered in a plain white cloth. Disguised मतलब कि to hide himself, to hide himself in means to appear in different appearance. Okay, so golden locks है, उसने अपने आप को अपना भेस बदल लिया. जितना अच्छे से वो भेस बदल सकता था, डिस्गाइज कर सकता था, वैसे उसने किया. इन ओल्ड रैग्स, पुराने टूटे फूटे कपड़े, फटे पुराने कपड़े पहने. एंड विथ हिज गोल्डन हेयर कवर्ड इन अ प्लेन वाइट क्लोथ. और उसने क्या किया? अपने गोल्डन हेयर है, बिकॉज इट वॉज द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ दैट प्रिंस, गोल्डन हेयर. ओके, सो ही कवर्ड हिज गोल्डन हेयर इन अ प्लेन वाइट क्लोथ. क्योंकि उसे बैनिश किया गया था ना गोल्डन लॉक्स को, तो वो ऐसे तो कि प्रिंस बन के नहीं जा सकता था, भले ही उनके फादर हैं, फिर भी वो ऐसे नहीं जा सकता था. सो ही डिस्गाइज्ड हिमसेल्फ इन ओल्ड रैग्स एंड हीज गोल्डन हेयर कवर्ड इन अ प्लेन वाइट क्लोथ. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस मच. ओके, यहाँ तक समझ में आया होगा ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. एंड यू विल रीड द स्टोरी. इट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. फेरी टेल है. ओके, फेरी टेल्स वैसे भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होती है. ओके, देखते हैं ये स्टोरी का एंडिंग है वो हैप्पी एंडिंग है कि नहीं. अंडरस्टूड. सो रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. बट मीन वाइल यू विल रीड द स्टोरी and I have explained you each and every word and gave the meaning of that word. So once again, after watching this video, you will go through the part which I explained and read the part which is remaining. Okay, so the rest of the part, remaining part, I'll explain you in next lecture. Till then, bye.